Vanakam guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, I can make pancake for my families. Basically, Saturday mornings are for pancake. So today I am going to show you how I make my pancake, as well as I will be answering some of your questions which I got from my Instagram story questionnaire. And yeah, this pancake will be done from the scratch with only 8 ingredients and simple methods. You guys, it will be super duper easy to make and quickly you can enjoy your pancakes. Let's go! Guys, firstly, what you have to do is prepare this kind of bowls. You will be needing 2 bowls. One is for the wet ingredients, the other one is for the dry ingredients. First, we are going to look into the dry ingredients. The first ingredient will be 100 grams of wheat flour. You can use any kind of flour. Next off, I'm going to add sugar. You can use any kind of sugar, like as in like caster sugar or the normal sugar, but I am using this icing sugar so that it's easier for me to, add and for me to mix. So all you need is 3 tablespoons of sugar. Here we are trying to cut down sugar, so 3 tablespoons will be just fine. Next will be 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Now I'm going to add half tablespoons of baking powder into the dry ingredients. Last but not least, you will be needing a pinch of salt. And yeah, here I have all the dry ingredients. I am just going to mix it using a whisk. I'm going to answer the first question. Rudra is one of my friends. By the way, I am a law student and we are required to do our internship program for 3 months. And yeah, the internship program has been going good. It's not bad, and God has been very kind towards me because I've gotten a very kind and good supervisor. I should say, compared to applying whatever that I have studied, I have learned new things. I have been shown, I have been exposed to the reality, how the law works, how the process and procedures work and stuff like that. So kind of like prepared me for my final year, because final year is where we are going to study the civil procedure, criminal procedure and so on. It's going good, cool. Mixing the ingredients is important so that the ingredients really mix with each other. So guys, let's move on to the wet ingredients. 100 ml of milk, fresh milk, and add 1 tablespoon of oil. I have added 1 egg, so we are going to mix all of it. So guys, now we have the wet ingredients here and the dry ingredients here. I'm just going to mix it and answer another question from Vinod. I won't lie that, I've never thought of it. In schooling time, I had like a dream man and the qualifications that a dream man should have. But the more I grow up, the more I learned that humans are all different and not every man are the same. I don't have much of expectation now in life. Important quality that a man should have is respect. I think respect is very important. Respecting me and my family is the most important stuff for me. Secondly, he must be hardworking. Although he is not educated or he does not provide me with a luxury life, I don't need a man to provide me a luxury life. But still, although he's not well-to-do, but he needs to have some kind of objective in life, a motive in life. He needs to work for it. So yeah, that's like most important stuff. And the rest are all normal: understanding, loving, tolerating, accepting my flaws. That can be bad at times. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients slowly while mixing with a whisk. Another question was asked by awesomel.a. I should say I have gone through so much at very young age. I had a perfect family. who supported me. But I had very bad experiences when it comes to friend, yeah, relationship. But I think the strength came from my mother, because she's the strongest lady that I have ever seen in my life. The battle that she have fought, and the things that she have faced is the worst, but she have fought all the battles. A lot of people inspire her because she multitasks, she stays strong, she stay positive, she does not wish anything bad to anybody, she helps people a lot. So I think my strength comes from my mother. And secondly, it's me, because when I was away from my home, I had to like face everything all by myself. So I had nobody else back then. Like my friends left, my friends backstabbed, and some of my friends did not care. So I had to face it all alone. Do not give a damn about whatever people are saying, because people are going to say something forever, are going to have something bad to say. But that shouldn't be a barrier for you to achieve your goals. For ignore negativity, cultivate a positive circle, make sure you have positive people in your circle. It doesn't matter if you don't have much friends, all you need is positive people in your circle. So right now I just have very limited friends, and yeah, but life is good, no regrets, that's important. I've mixed it already, so now what you have to do is to mix the ingredients well. You just have to draw it in a faster motion. I'm going to add chocolate chips into this mixture. This is a cute pan which I'm going to use for the pancake, and you look at the flame. I just put it on low flame. I am going to show you how I'm going to do it. I'm going to take a bit because I am going to do small size. So yeah. The moment when you see the bubbles on the pancake, you can see the dots, right? That is when you need to flip the pancake. Look at it, guys. Oh my god, the pancake looks amazing. Enjoying her pancake. And before signing off, I am going to answer last questions. All of us have went through it, guys. Please admit it, okay? It's beautiful, it's very cute. Better not to, because you will lose the friendship. Better not to, but everyone will go through it. So I don't know, very hard. Okay guys, that is all from me. Please do try this pancake and post a picture, tag me. I will definitely repost and share on my social media. Thank you so much for all your support. Do like this video, comment down below on what you want next. Subscribe to my channel. That's all. Take care. Bye bye.